Introducing the CHiQ 255L Inverter Frost-Free Top-Mount Refrigerator, the ideal choice for preserving your food and drinks. It has a 5-star energy rating and an elegant and fashionable white design. Featuring a reversible door design, you can easily change the door opening direction to suit your kitchen space and needs. Now, when you open the freezer door, you'll see 54 litres of freezer space, completely frost-free, so you never have to defrost it manually. The multi-airflow system ensures uniform temperatures for all freezer and fridge shelves, keeping your items fresh and cool. Plus, the flexible removable hanging ice box meets your ice-making needs. In the 201-litre refrigeration space, the electronic temperature control with LED display monitors the fridge's internal temperature, and the inverter system ensures efficient and quiet operation. Plus, a door alarm reminds you if you've forgotten to close the door. Now, we've got bright LED lights to illuminate the entire refrigerator, making it clear and easy to see your items. The fresh room, with a lower temperature than the main compartment, keeps fish and meat fresh longer and ready to cook. Plus, glass and door shelves meet your storage needs. The bottom door shelf is also suitable for milk and 2-litre beverage bottles. Plus, the crisper with humidity control keeps your fruits and vegetables fresher for longer. Perfect for modern homes, the CHiQ CTM255NW5E offers reliable performance and innovative features to keep your food fresh longer. Improve your life with CHiQ.